Hello and welcome to this quick interactive tutorial on how to sign a document using the Remine Docs e-sign system. So this is a very simple system and all you have to do is follow the prompts. So the first thing you're going to do is close your browser and open up a new browser, and you're going to go into your email, log in, and you should see an email from your agent. So what you're going to do is go directly into that email, and you're going to see some text from your agent, and then you're going to click this blue box that says View All Docs. Then it's going to pull up this pop-up for you to tell you a little bit about the system, tell you how safe it is and how to do things. But to sign, you can just close this out and your document's up. So the next thing you're going to do is simply look at the document, make sure everything is correct. Once you've reviewed all the terms in the document, then just go back up to the top, click on the sign button, and the system will automatically take you to each signing section. It's going to tell you have 15 minutes to review and complete your signing session. So just click continue, and then click on the red box where it says initial. Now you have two options. You can either type your signature or draw your signature. We recommend people just type their signature because this is an e-sign system and it's not required that you physically sign it with your finger. And you're going to have to read and check on this box, and then you're going to create your signature. Once you've done that, any documents in the future that you have to sign, they'll already be ready for you to sign. Now, the next place that it needs you to sign is right here. Notice it came directly to the next spot, and it shows you a progress bar at the top. You've signed one of two signatures. So click on the next box, and you'll notice that's signed, and you'll notice your completion box up here is full. So once that completion box is full, you can simply click here where it says done. Wait a few seconds. It says signature saved successfully. And congratulations, you're done. That's it. And you can obviously download the document that you just signed. You can review them. You can look at your history. And that's the end of the quick tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it.